we're both doing this with no lights.
He almost fell off. It's not because I couldn't see, it's because I was going too fast.
You better slow down. Yeah, this is where it's right there. You're right there at the edge now.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Doing this with no lights is fun.
Oh, it's different. That's for damn sure.
Can you see at all?
Nope.
I guess
And ooh. When my black cat is on the dashboard, when everything is bouncing around. Oh shit! There I go.
Did you fall off already?
Oh, I just went off.
I'm doing this at 30 miles an hour, and how?
I don't know how you do it at those speeds.
Oh, what did I do? Oh.
You do everything too fast, but yet you get away with it. Oh my god, you should see what I'm faced with.
I cannot see the road. I cannot see the road. Can't see it.
Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Am I gonna, oh, no, it stopped.
I currently cannot see the road, so
that's why I went off the road.
Like
because I couldn't see it.
Yeah. Here's the thing, I stick so close to the inside where I actually end up hitting the wall. Actually, I have to turn off this. Alright, I did it.
And no trouble.